See those? See that? Harbor Freight with palm trees. Yeah, I'm here. Florida Harbor Freight.
That's a good one. I think that's a new generator. Look at that one. She's a big one. They've got her locked up so you can't roll it out the door accidentally. Wow. Oh, and look at the handle on that. That's pretty cool. Look, now I can't do it with one hand. There we go. That's pretty cool. Wow, they have a lot of generators. I've talked about this in a video. Don't buy one of those. No. Those are no good. Nice rack. Might put that on my van. There's even a longer one. I need one for my van. For the roof out front. I have to check them out and see if I can find a coupon. This is a nice Harbor Freight.
this Harbor Freight. It's a nice one. Looks new, nice and big, roomy, clean. A lot of cool things. What do you think? That may be the first Harbor Freight that I've not bought anything. I'm in my van doing some traveling. I don't really have room. I don't have anything. I've got several Harbor Freight things in the van. Tell me what you think. I could get used to Harbor Freight with palm trees. I could get used to palm trees.